Nan might have to help you read it.
Best.
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
What?
Best. Steph. Sky.
Yeah. Steph.
Best.
What's a sis?
Steph.
Best sister.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
You don't know.
That means you're gonna be a sister, Cora. Who's having a baby?
Are you really? Oh my god.
What'd she say? You're gonna Oh my god. I love it.
Give her a big hug.
Oh. I'm so happy. Oh.